Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy F62 and M62. The first thing I want to show you is about the screen, because the display is very large and so on, and you cannot reach everything with one thumb, but you can make the screen a bit smaller that you can use it with just one hand. Let me show you how that works. So if you have enabled it, just scroll down here the home button. And then the screen becomes smaller, and now you can navigate completely here in this mini screen. But you have to enable this feature first, so don't wonder if it doesn't work at you right now. Okay, what we have to do so just scroll down here, and then we will have here the symbol for the settings. Tap it, and then we have to scroll down to the point, advanced features. Tap it, and here we will have the one-handed mode. And this one-handed mode has to be turned on here if it's marked blue. Okay, one more time, just swipe down here the home button in the middle, and you have the mini screen. And yeah, it is very nice. You can now navigate completely here in it. And if you this is for left-handed people here, but if you want to use it also with the right hand and so on, you have here a little arrow to put it on the other side. So a very nice tool. And as I said, you can completely navigate here with this mini screen. You can play games in it and so on and so on. If you're ready with it, also if you want to turn back, if you want to go back to the regular screen, just tap here on the outside and you're back in the regular mode. Yeah, the next mode I want to show you is for cloning apps, because you can have two Facebook accounts. You can have also two WhatsApp accounts, and hey, why not? Because you can insert two SIM cards. Why not using two WhatsApp accounts? So for each number one then. And yeah, let me show you how you can do that. For that, just scroll on here, then go here to the symbol for the settings. Then scroll down to the point, advanced features again. And then scroll down again a bit to have this point here, dual messenger. So, and here we'll have a list which apps are supported by that feature. And yeah, let's make clone WhatsApp. So tap on the app you want to clone, then go here on install, and the app will ask you, also in the very first time also, if you want to use a separate contact list in case your second WhatsApp account should just use separate contacts. Sorry, and yeah, you can enable it later also here below in the main settings here of this dual messenger, by the way. Okay, let's clone Snapchat here as well. Go on install Facebook. Let's also install the second messenger account here. Okay, let me show you now how it looks like. Yeah? If I scroll down, as if I go here in the app drawer, I have now here the cloned apps next to the main apps. This is my main WhatsApp account, and this is my second one. Same with Snapchat, my main one, my second one. By the way, you can always recognize the second app with the orange corner here, with the circles in it, so you can recognize always the second apps. Okay. If you want to remove them one day, no problem. Just go on the app you want to remove, hold your finger on it until you see that bar here, and then go on uninstall. Go on uninstall, and the second WhatsApp account in my case will disappear. But you can go also to the dual messenger feature here to remove it also like this and so on. Okay, the next mode I want to show you is also something nice, because you have always, if you open something, you have little animations. As you can see, zoom out and zoom in, zoom out and zoom in. And that takes a bit time. And you can remove these animations and your phone feels faster without these animations. Okay, for that, just scroll on here, then go to the symbol for the settings, and then scroll down to the point, accessibility. So, and at the visibility enhancements, you will have here the point remove animations. If you turn it on, yeah, and pay attention now, if I go out, I'm immediately out, not zoomed out, no, like here now at the gallery, it's already there. If I close it, it's already gone. No zoom out, no zoom in, and that makes your phone will feel faster after you have enabled this feature. And of course, you can make also screenshots with this phone here. For that, we will need just the power button and the volume down key here. Just press these buttons for the same time and you will have a screenshot. And after you will have here a bar, you can edit the picture or share it directly. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you can also draw something inside if you want, or if you go here in the corners, you can also crop a part of your screenshot, and then you can also share it directly, maybe with WhatsApp or Messenger and so on, or you can save it directly here with the arrow to your gallery. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is for the camera, because maybe there's a situation you need your camera very fast and so on. There's a way to quick launch the camera without wasting time for looking for the camera app and so on. So just double tap the power button and you are immediately at the camera and you can take your picture with. And yeah, one more time, just double tap the power button and you are immediately at the camera. And what is also very great, if your phone is maybe on standby, you have the same option. Just double tap on the power button and you are immediately at the camera without wasting time. And now let me show you a bit more here about the cameras, because you have 4 here in that phone. And this is the main cam here, by the way. But the problem is, if you are very close to objects or like a group or something like this, you cannot have everyone on the picture, but you can enable the ultra wide cam. And now you have also my hand on the picture, as you can see. But the better quality, you have always here the main cam. So if you want to take pictures, take the main cam. But if you're close to an object or to a group, if you want to make a group picture, then it's better to use the ultra wide cam. Yeah, and what is also very nice, you have also a zoom cam here already included. That means the camera zooms automatically in the object, and you can zoom in also by your own if you pinch in and out. Yeah, but if you want to let me go back here to the main cam. But if you are also very, very close to objects, like me now, to my little friend here, the camera can't really focus. But there's a mode, which one makes it clear again, the macro cam. So you just go here on more, enable macro, and then the phone is enabling the macro cam. And as you can see, the pictures are much more clear. Sometimes you have to move a bit the phone because the camera is on a different size here and on a different side. And now you can see the camera focus much better. Let me show you the differences again. So this is the main, this is the main cam here. You see, it cannot really focus, but if I go here on more and enable the macro mode, it is much more clear. But as you can see, also the quality is not that good. So the best pictures you can always have with the main cam. And the next picture I want to show you is the portrait mode, because I think you have heard already of blurred backgrounds and so on, and you can do here it as well at your photos if you want to make a selfie of yourself or a picture of someone, that just the person in front is focused. So for that, just go here on more and then go here on portrait. And now, as you can see, just my friend here is in the focus and the background is blurred. Now, the background is blurred and just my friend here is at the focus here. You can change here the intensity of it. And yeah, a nice mode to have blurred pictures. Also blurred background pictures. So, okay, the next tool is also pretty cool because you can hide apps. May no one should see that you have a second Snapchat account or maybe another app like Instagram or something like this. You can hide these apps if you want. For that, just pinch in your fingers if you're on the desktop and then go here to the settings. So, and then you have here the point, hide apps. So here you can choose the apps you want to hide. Okay, let's may hide, and for example, Instagram, and may our second Snapchat account here. Okay, now we hide Instagram and our second Snapchat account. Go done. Okay, now let's check at the app drawer. There are no more there. We have just our Snapchat account, but not the second one. And we don't have our Instagram account here again because it is hidden now. But hey, what I can do if I want to use it now? No one can see it, but I want to use it now. How we do? You just go into the search bar and enter for Instagram. I don't have so many apps with an I. So, and here we will have Instagram. So this is the way how you can find your hidden apps here then later on the phone, and you have the complete access to this app and so on. But on the first view, it is hidden. Yeah, the next thing I want to show you is for our eyes, because especially if you're using our smartphone in the evening, if you're watching stuff on our phone, then our eyes feel very stressed and maybe you have problems to fall into sleep after. But there's a way to make it not that hard for your eyes. So let me show you some. Just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and go now on the second page. By the way, there are also some other icons, by the way, and we will need here the Eye Comfort Shield. If you turn it on, you can see that the light has changed. It is more have a touch of yellow now on the screen, and it's a blue light filter. This feature takes out the blue light, and it's much more better for your eyes than without. Also, by the way, also on the day, if you're using it on the day, it is also very nice, but it's a bit unusual at the beginning, but I can really recommend this. But you should have this feature at latest in the evening. If you say, okay, on the day I don't like it so much, then you can enable it automatically also each evening. So if you go now here, by the way, also very nice here at the shortcuts on the written word. So don't go on the icon, go on the written word, Eye Comfort Shield. Then you can go here on details. And if you go on details, you can change also the opacity of the color temperature here. As you can see it, but as more warm it is, as better this feature will help your eyes. And you can also schedule it here on this point. And I would recommend to you to schedule it from sunset to sunrise. Because then it turns automatically on if the sun sets, and if the sun rises, it turns automatically off. So a pretty cool feature. And if you're using the stuff on the night, it has a nice, there's another nice feature which one supports that. So just scroll on here, scroll on a second time, and on the second page again, we have here the dark mode. If you enable this dark mode, you can see the stuff which one were white before, it turns into black, and that also into dark, and that also helps your eyes, especially in the night, because stuff in the darkness which one is very bright, you know what I mean? But if it's black now, it's much better, and also a nice comfort. And also if you go here on the written word dark mode, you can schedule it also, by the way, if you're going on details, and you should turn on as a schedule as well, like in my case here, and set it up also from sunset to sunrise, because then this feature turn on automatically if the sun rises, if the sun sets, and if the sun rises, this feature will turn off automatically. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could show you some tips and tricks for your phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment if you like this video. Thank you so much. Or leave me a nice comment. It is very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, if you want, you can have also a look on one of my other videos if you're interested in. or may just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.